Hi, Norman Hallett here with your next 4-minute drill for traders. I'm supposed to be the model of trading discipline. Heck, over the last 11 years, I've helped thousands of traders around the world to be steadfast in executing their trading plans without any hesitation. Well, a few hours ago, I saw a setup pop up to short the soybean market on the daily chart. Now, my trading plan has me take on 2 contracts when I enter a trade, and that's what I set out to do as soon as I saw this setup. I moved quickly to enter the trade and get short too. After my computer spoke to me, I don't know what your computer says, but mine says trade entered. I looked at my equity start to move into the red, but at a higher increment than I was used to seeing. I realized right then I have too many positions on, and I glanced quickly at the number of positions, revealed that I had put on 3 contracts and not 2 contracts. I immediately offset one position, the one that I had mistakenly put on, and took a tiny loss. Now, the old me, say a decade ago, before I buckled down and made trading discipline part of my trading focus, I would have handled that situation differently. The old me would have waited to see if I was going to get hurt or helped by that extra position as I began rationalizing to keep that extra position on. If the market went with me, I put in a stop at break even for that position and make it a little side bet kind of thing. If the market went against me initially, I usually would keep that extra position on and maybe even put in a limit buy or sell to offset the position at break even. Bottom line, I was playing around. I was playing around off my plan when I made a mistake. I made the mistake worse. This undisciplined behavior not only opened me up to unpredictable results, but took my focus off the primary part of the trade that I was there to focus on, the one that followed my trading plan. It was hardly ever a good result, and sometimes a disastrous result. Now let me ask you, how do you normally handle that situation, especially if the trade immediately moves in your favor and that extra position somehow looks pretty good? Do you justify it with karma, thinking, hey, this mistake was supposed to be, look how well it's going, I think I'll stick with it? Or do you play another kind of mind game to justify staying with your mistake and calling it God sent or whatever? Do you get out right away, or do you wait to see if you made a mistake that will profit you? I think you know the right thing to do. Get back on your trading plan. Offset the mistake position immediately after you identify it. My point is, we as traders are human. We all make mistakes, some of us more than others. And that's okay, as long as you immediately get back on your trading plan as soon as you realize your error. Even me, the disciplined trader, screws up now and then. But I get right back on track when I do make a mistake, and you should too. How do you handle trading mistakes? This is an important topic, so if you have a chance, like right now, leave a comment and share your honest response to trading mistakes. Do you find, like I do, that trading mistakes usually hurt you in the end if you try to work through them instead of offsetting them right away like you should be doing? Leave a comment. Your experiences are valuable to us all. Okay, that's it for this edition of 4-Minute Drill for Traders. So until next week, hey, say it with me. Not yet. Not yet. Wait for the finger. Stay disciplined.